Hey everyone, you just found the perfect video if you want to create an AI agent for your project or for your business, because today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Tavus. It is a software that you can use to lip sync different AI agents. You can even create your own. You just upload a video or an audio and you can create an AI persona using these two assets, or you can pick from a bunch of templates that the software has to offer. This is really helpful, for example, if you want to create an educational video or if you want an agent to explain something in your business or in your content project. So I'm gonna teach you how to do all of these things. I'm gonna make myself disappear so I can show you better my screen. See you guys at the end. You can sign up for free. There is a free version and a paid version. We have some affiliate links in the description down below if you wanna check them out. We're gonna check out the free version. So I'm just gonna click right here in sign up for free. And right here we have the home screen. There are some things that you can do with this software. For example, you can create a conversation with a replica that is an AI agent. You can create a persona. One of these people, for example, is a persona that you can use in your projects, or you can even create a replica that looks like you for you to use in your projects. In this video, I'm gonna create a lip sync video. I'm gonna be using one of my videos, and then I'm gonna teach you how to use the templates that Tavus has on its library as well. So if we click right here on create lip sync video, we're gonna be taken to this page right here. It tells us how to record a video for Tavus to work the best way possible, or you can use one of these three that Tavus has already as templates. I've already created a video that I'm gonna show you real quick. I have it right here on the desktop. This is the video. This is the video that I'm going to use in the Tavus lip sync tutorial. I'm moving my mouth in an exaggerated manner so the software can catch the mouth movement. As you see, Tavus asks us to move our mouth in an exaggerated manner so the software can catch all of our mouth movements. So we're gonna upload that video that we just recorded using this arrow right here. I'm gonna choose the video that I just showed you, and I've already recorded an audio with my cell phone as well in the voice memos app, so I can upload it and Tavus can lip sync my mouth to that other audio. I'm gonna show you that audio right now so you can see which one we're gonna use. The audio is this one right here. This is the audio that I'm gonna upload to Tavus Lipsync so the software can hear my voice, can understand my pronunciation and my intonation. That is the audio that we're gonna use, but as with the videos, we have some sample audios that we can use. Let's hear them out.
They said perfect lip sync wasn't possible, that it couldn't be done. But that was before Tavus hit play.
That's the first one.
Let's warm up with a quick test. Peter picked a pack of purple peppers, supposedly.
So let's first create the video with the audio that I recorded, and then we can do one with one of these so we can check the difference. We just upload the audio as well. We can name our test lip sync video any way we want. I'm just gonna name it test. Once we've done that, we can click right here on generate. Tavus is gonna take a couple of minutes processing the video. So Tavus has already created our video. We're gonna click right here so we can see it. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. We're gonna click play. This is the audio that I'm gonna upload to Tavus Lipsync so the software can hear my voice, can understand my pronunciation and my intonation. As you see, the software created a video of me using that audio that I uploaded. It moved my lips so they match what I'm saying. It does a really good job, but I want to use one of the other audios that the software has to offer us so we can check the difference. I'm gonna use this second sample audio. I'm gonna name it test 2 and generate it. Let's check test number 2.
Let's warm up with a quick test. Peter picked a pack of purple peppers, supposedly. Honestly, I don't trust him, but Tavus nails it.
That was really fun. As you see, my lips move perfectly in sync with what I'm saying. And what I find really amazing about Tavus is that you can upload an audio in another language. So your persona or your replica says that audio even if you don't speak that language. I'm gonna show you a couple of other things that you can do in Tavus. If you go right here to the left, we can check, for example, the replica library. These are the virtual avatars that you can use in your projects. For example, I could use this one right here that is free, that is Mary. I can click on create a video or a conversation. I'm gonna create a video, and you have some options right here. You can type a script. for Mary to speak that script, or you can upload an audio like we did before. I'm just gonna write a short script so you can check how amazing the software does it. So I wrote this simple script right here that says, hello, my name is Mary, I love cooking Italian food and riding my bike. My favorite TV series is Adventure Time and I love watching it. Once we've written our script, we can just click right here on generate, and Tavus is going to take a couple of minutes generating the video. So let's see what Tavus created. We can click right here on the play button.
Hello, my name is Mary. I love cooking Italian food and riding my bike. My favorite TV series is Adventure Time and I love binge watching it.
The movement of the lips, as you see, is incredibly real, and you can write whichever script you want the persona to say. We can also go to the video library where we can see the videos that we've created, the date we've created it. We can also go to the Lipsync library where we can see our projects as well. As I told you in the beginning, you can also click right here to create your own persona. You can use one of the default personas, or you can upload a video of yourself to create a replica. In order to do so, you need to record a consent video, a training video, and create your replica. I'm not gonna do that in this tutorial right here, but if you guys are interested, I could do it in a follow-up video. And you can even have personas having conversations between them using this Create Conversation tab. And in all the videos that you create, you can play around with the script and with the code. So you can, for example, define a variable in the script, change the recipient's name, or many other variables. And that is basically how you really quickly and easily create a video using Tavus Lipsync. I would really like to know if you guys have used this software down here in the comments. I want to read all of your thoughts. I find it really useful for the reasons that I've explained earlier. Maybe you don't feel so confident before a camera, or you don't feel confident with the way your speech sounds. So you can use any of these AI agents for your projects. Once again, we have some affiliate links in the description down below, so you can use the paid version as well. My name is Santiago. I really hope you subscribe to this channel to check out all of the other tutorials that we've uploaded. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.